Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Tranya S2 smartwatch. It has a 1.32-inch screen. It's HD. It has a 3-atom waterproofing, and it has a super long-lasting battery. And it will also track multiple sports modes. So let's get to the watch right now. There's one of the screens. If we scroll down from the top, you can select the screen brightness right here. You can turn it into a flashlight. That's handy sometimes. And under settings, you can change the dial. So here are the different dials that it has. And this is an HD color screen. So I like this dial. If you were wearing it, it would show you your heart rate. It scans your heart rate once in a while, and some other cool things like weather, but you can change some of these also. And then down here, this would show you text messages if it were connected. And then over here, here are all the different options that this watch has to offer. And then the different sport modes will show that as well. So it does photos and settings as well. So you can change this, turn it off, app link, all in the settings. Okay, and that gives you status of what your burn rate is to show walking. So if you walk a lot, you'll see that fill up. And then, so when you go into training, here are all the different options for that. And if you do yoga, they have an option for that at the very bottom. So you can track your yoga sessions right there. So it has so many options for different sports. It's pretty inexpensive on Amazon, but I like the Tranya brand. They also make really good earbuds, and it comes with this magnetic charging cable right here. And then we're going to show what's inside of the manual, because this is a great resource that you can come back to in the future, pause, and then look at how to install or do some settings changes. So we're just going to go through that. Here are all the apps that it can connect to, and you can get notifications on here. So that's a lot. That is a lot. Some more screens right here. Again, you can pause this anytime and take a look. All the menu options right there, what sport modes it has, how everything works right there. Some more basic information right there. All right, and so that's it for the manual. But I really like how this fits. The band is nice. You only get one band with this, but that's okay. And then you also get the magnetic charger. It's a USB-A to magnetic piece, and that is on the back. It fits right here. And that is the light trying to check for heart rate and oxygen level. And it does those readings pretty quickly. So this is the Tranya S2 smartwatch, and it works with Android and iOS. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.